Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks and macro monster e-cuts. I just keep finding out more ways to use it, more ways to play with it, and more ways to save you time. There's a lot of ways to do it inside Corel. Most of it's a little difficult. I very seldom ever use it, but print merge and everything. But let's say you have a logo, and I'm just using Epilogue. As all y'all know, I'm a pretty big fan of Epilogue lasers. And let's just say I'm going to make some name tags for Epilogue, but I want the names to be variable. So we're going to use e-cuts. And if you didn't watch the ones from yesterday or today, open up variable, go to open database, and I just made I made it in Notepad, which everybody should have on their computer, and then grab the X, and then grab your database file and assign a shape, and then grab the whole thing and apply it. And it that quickly made a name tag for all those people that suspiciously work for Epilogue in Austin, Texas, and even used the font that I wanted for the X, and it's pretty incredible that quick a time. And I just typed in. I'm not really WordPad. I just went to WordPad and started a file, and then somebody taught me put a letter at the top or a number. And then for numbers, I just went like this all the way down the page till I got 50 or 100, whatever you want to do. It's that easy. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. And thank you for watching.